Hey guys, this is Mr. Goliath. Sadly, I can't be there today. Unfortunately, my little guy took a spill at the park and broke his leg. So sad. So I am hopefully getting the hard cast on with him as you're listening to this, and he'll get his recovery soon, so I should be back tomorrow. Today, you're going to do the QOD 23, which is this one here. Make sure you go through this video, which is definitely a helpful one. Answer the 4 questions, and then you're ready to move on. The graphic design should already be turned in. Anyone who turned it in Friday, I graded it. It is graded, and I'm ready to post grades tomorrow when I return. So if you didn't get yours turned in, get it submitted, and Monday night I'm going to try to do some more grading for those who get those turned in. So it shows up on Infinite Campus for you. Secondly, the ITS needs to be turned in when I get back on Tuesday. As soon as the graphic design is graded, I'm moving on to ITS. Finally, finish up your Genius Hour research. If you don't get it done in class today, it is homework. Get it done for tomorrow. You need at least 9 quality facts, and that's quality based on our rubric. And then you can move on to the summative graphic design. Remember when turning in files, by the way, that all files are turned in basically the same way. So it doesn't matter how it's taught. You know, some people say, well, I watched the graphic design video and it didn't show how to turn that in. Just click the file button there and submit it from your folder. It doesn't matter if it's a video, PowerPoint, or whatever. Just get the thing turned in the same location. So you can do that, work on your summative, and then finally, if you get all this done, wow, you can work on your artifact for Thursday. Remember, that is our day that we will present what we've done. You should be at least 60 to about 2/3 of the way done with your project. On our best behavior for Mrs. Brozick, she's going to do a great job, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate your help. Have a great day.